afternoon, students. Here we are back again, and the subject actual science. You don't know my name, Mr. Wyatt, right in the class. We had a topic before us titled soil. Soil is very important to us, and I believe each and every of us know what soil is all about. From the look of things, and you watch my hand, I have a sample of soil here, derived from what? Rocks, just as we have discussed on Wednesday. Now, what is soil? Soil has to do with the uttermost part of the earth surface, or the topmost part of the earth surface on which plant grows and animal world dwells. Or also look at soil, it contains or consists of minerals that support plant growth. It also consists of living organisms, the ones you have in the soil that help to decompose various plants and dead remains of what? Animals. You have other living organisms that you can see in soil. You have the millipede, centipede. We shall be discussing that as we go along. The importance of soil has to do with one, building and construction. Soil and sandy soil is used for what? Construction of houses, farm buildings, and all that. But we also have other examples of importance. You have planting and what? Growing of crops. On soil, you plant your crops and also grow your crops. And we have another importance of soil that has to do with the growing of animals. Because right on the soil, you build your structures to put your animals that you want to rear. Soil supports vegetation and as well exploration of what? Minerals. Now, how do you look at the importance of soil? We want to talk about the components of soil. This component can also be referred to constituent or composition of soil. When you look at components of soil, we have four major components of soil. We have the soil air, the soil water, the soil organic matter, and what? The soil minerals. The soil air is 25% in volume in the soil. That has to do with aeration in the soil, air in the soil. When you look at the structure here, this is the diagram of soil component, constituent or composition. Then soil water is 25 volume in the soil. Soil mineral is 45%, and soil organic matter is what? 5%. All these components of soil have their various importance, what they do, how they help soil to somewhat be comfortable and conducive rather for the use of plants growth and as well of animal rearing. Without air, the plants or root of plants cannot develop. Without air as well, plant cannot germinate. Without water, the growth of plants is not visible. But when you look at soil organic matter, you discover that if organic matter are not in the soil and you have much of minerals, it could cause wilting and death of plant. So this organic matter also consists of living organisms that helps the development of crops as a result of dead remains of plants and animals, which we call humus. Now, when you look at types of soil water, it's very important. That is why I have to isolate it. Soil water has various types. You have hydroscopic water. This is tightly held in the soil, but not available for plant use. You have another one, fluid capacity, left in soil after drainage. Is available for plant use. You have capillarity water. This rises within the little pores in the in the soil, and it rises above the water table. It's available for plant uptake. You have the gravitational water, which remains after drainage of water from the soil. It's also available, though it causes leaching. Now, having said this about the components of soil and highlighted the importance and then the types of soil water, it's important also that you look into various living organisms in the soil. The living organisms in the soil helps to decompose various plant materials and dead remains of what? Animals. Examples like bacteria, termites, snails, millipedes, centipedes, rodents, earthworm, nematode, etc. When you have this in the soil, what are the importance? What do you what are you likely to see? The improved soil what? Structure. They help to improve the soil structure and also help to make the soil texture to be okay. It increases soil aeration. Aeration has to do with presence of air in the soil. So when they burrow into the soil, it allows air to go through. So those soil like clay soil that is so tightly fit together in their pore spaces are broken down or perhaps opened up for air to what get in. And then we have improvement of water percolation. When the rain falls, the water percolates, filters down into the soil, infiltrates rather, and then it will be able to get to the roots of plants for the plants to make use of fixation of nutrients into the soil. An example there is bacteria that fixes nitrogen into what? The soil, as well as the root nodules also fixes nitrogen into the soil. So these living organisms help a lot to improve the soil for the betterment of plant growth and animal rearing. Lastly, you have burrowing of soil. Most animals, living organisms like termites, snail, centipede, rodent, earthworm in particular, they burrow in the soil. They walk through the soil, open up the soil, which allows air to be formed in the soil. Now, having looked at this topic, soil, highlighted already and explained to you, it's very vital that you take note of what soil is, the importance of soil, and the components of soil, and what we have just said, the living organisms in soil. With that, I want you to have this evaluation back at home there. Define soil, mention two importance of soil, and then draw the soil component chart. Define soil, mention two importance of soil, and draw the soil component chart. The assignment is explain the four components of soil, stating at least two importance of each to the word soil. So, having said this, I believe you have understood and taken down what soil is. You have to come back again to continue from here. Next topic will be the type of soil. Thank you for listening.